Hi, this is Ed Duclos, Tech Content Coach, South Windsor School District. This video is going to start a series of videos that will look at whiteboard and whiteboard videos. Okay, so what that means is I've been receiving all of these questions about what do I use for whiteboard? How can I use a whiteboard? How can I get my students, show my students, etc. So I said, okay, let's go ahead and start putting them down because there are a ton of whiteboard tools out there, but let's see which one will best suit you. Okay, first of all, what I would definitely do is use Screencastify. So you can see up here the icon, and Screencastify is what I use for all these how-to videos. Okay, so I've got that recording now, but you would go ahead and record your whiteboard. What I mean by that is, let's take a look at option one. A simple way to get a whiteboard is to go with a Google Slides. Now, what I would do, gets called up here. I'd get rid of the themes, and then I'd get a blank slide. And then I would come in here. And then what I would do is I would right-click on the top one, and I would delete that. Now we just have a blank slide. All right, so I could start right now, but let's get a bigger surface, okay? So instead of hitting present, I'm gonna go to the drop-down. I'm gonna click on presenter view. Now, what I have done is I got myself a little bigger board on screen, okay? Plus I have access to my extension so I can start and stop Screencastify. All right, so now what do I have in front? There's my white screen. Here are my tools down here. I can change the color and everything along those lines. I've got an eraser. I've got to do a whole bunch of different things, but all I'm going to do here is I'm using my mouse pad, so that's not really as convenient as it would be if I could just use my touchscreen. Having some technical difficulties with that, so we will just go there and we're good to go. I've been recording the whole thing, so now once I stop the recording, then I would get all the information. I would be able to get a shareable link. I could even post that to Google Classroom. Okay, so combining Screencastify and a whiteboard, which I get with Google Slides. That's one. Okay, the next one's going to be even a better one. It's going to be taking a look at Jamboard. All right, hope this has been helpful. Have yourself a great day.